Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Venmo. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start buying crypto on Venmo. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. The first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to hop onto Venmo, and then on the bottom right hand corner you want to click on where it says crypto. So here is where you could actually go ahead and buy PayPal USD, you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, etc. So once you click on buy, you actually are going to need to confirm some info, so click on continue, and then from here you're just going to agree to Venmo's cryptocurrencies terms and conditions, and then once you click on agree, you should now be verified and you should be able to buy crypto. So with that being said, you can choose a crypto here to buy. Let's say we bought Bitcoin, we want to buy $20 worth. So as you can see here, we're basically going to buy $20 worth of Bitcoin, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and buy crypto on Venmo. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.